Hi, this is Ben McIntyre from Tiny Home Rolling Pasture. We've tried to market our tiny houses both online and offline in the past with limited success, and after working with Trevor from Thomas Company, putting together some videos, we've seen that our traffic and lead rate has tripled in the last 2 weeks. I think that if you're not using video as a form of marketing, then you're throwing money away on other things. You can really see the engagement that we're getting with clients. Video really helps them to understand our product and our message, and they also get an understanding of what they're going to get for their money. I really think they've done a fantastic job at a far less cost than the big production companies. I think video is probably the most cost-effective marketing ever. Do give them a call, you won't be disappointed.